name is Sharon George, and today we're going to discuss about use case diagram. So first, before starting with the experiment, let's have a discussion about what exactly use case diagram is. So a use case diagram describes how a system interacts with outside actors. It's a graphical representation of the interaction among the elements and the system, and each use case representation a piece of functionality that a system provides to its user. There are certain notations that you can use in use case. The first one is the system boundary, as you can see, and this description also, which you can read. And the second one is the use case, which is an oval shape. Third one is actor. The actor is the one who initiates the use cases. Fourth one is association, generalization. It's a relationship that is used to represent inheritance relationship between model elements of same type. And sixth one is include. Then we have extends, constraint, package, interface, note, anchor, and that's it. That's a sample diagram of use case. But here we will see a use case that we have drawn. So the topic that we got is conference management system. So in that we have to manage the conference. The admin will manage the conference. So the use case that we have drawn is there are on top. This is the system boundary that you can see, and we have 6 use cases here. The first one is create account, which will be the use case if the user doesn't have an account, and if the user is a new one, he has to create an account. And if the user is not a new one, then the second use case is login. Then the third one is search, if the user wants to search any sort of paper, any paper. Then the fourth one is if the user wants to download any paper. Then we have view review, whatever review has been given to the paper, the user can view the review and then log out. So that's the main system. And then you can see we have used generalization relationship here. So we have one actor user, and then that users can be of different types. So one of the user can be student or staff, and then it could be admin, editor, reviewer, author, any of them. So admin can either assign editor to conference or he can add conference. So those are the 2 use cases especially meant for admin. And then we have editor, and in editor can assign reviewer to conference, release the review, and assign for review. And reviewer can actually review paper, and author can submit the paper. So that's the use case that we have drawn for conference management system. I hope you understood. The main cases about use cases are that you need to identify the use case and the main system part you have to identify. Then you have to include relationships like generalization, inheritance, etc. And then you have to keep it clean. The lines should not cross. And that's it. Thank you.